try an acceleration test. So you could feel the instant torque without any delays of the electric battery. So I think that's one advantage of having an electric vehicle, is that power right off the bat when you press the gas pedal. So in here it's 70 kilometers per hour, the max speed. Let's try achieving 70. And you're now at 70 with that ease, no engine sounds. You just hear the tires and the wind and the road noise, and that's about it. So driving the Model 3 is as easy as it can be. So the steering wheel is a bit hard for better grip, and acceleration is top-notch. Braking power is very good as well. Road noise is, well, basically that's the only noise you would hear aside from the music that you would want to play. But that's it with the Tesla. So on idle, you would not hear anything aside from your turn signal indicators and your music. And you have your guidance lines or your guidance driving guidance in here as well. So this would project whatever car is in front of you, or even people that walks around. The sensors, it would show up here. So as for example, right now there's an SUV right in front of me, and it would show up in here. And since it went on to the left and the sensors cannot detect it anymore, it would not show up in here. Even the curves of the guidelines, it would show up in here on the screen. Now let's see what happens if it has a roundabout in here. So what would happen, and what would Tesla show if there's a roundabout? So I don't think the roundabout shows up in here. And there's no lines, as you can see. And you have again your guidance lines when it's on the normal road. So the big question is, would you replace your combustion engines to the new electric vehicles? The torque is there, the power is there for such a cheap price, but would you sacrifice that, real feeling of driving combustion engines such as Porsches, Lexuses, BMWs, with those exhaust notes that would be sacrificed when you drive an EV? And they say this is the future. So what would you say about that? Let's try for one more acceleration. 20 kilometers and pull. That's 100 instantly. tapos right.
Dun ba kina Denver?
Hindi, doon sa stadium.
Dito.
Right? Ba't hindi nagalit yung FJ?
Sino?
Yung FJ. Pero hindi ko naman siya naka. Diretso ba tayo?
Dito nga ba yan? Tapos left sa sunod. Exit ka dyan.
Dito? Left?
Ano
Wala,
yung
may
pa sa
chemist.
dulo? Yan, dyan exit. Tapos left.
So right now we're in traffic and you could see the cars in here. It follows whatever is in front or around the sensors of the car. In here, you see a big truck right over there. And you have a truck on the far left. It's very accurate. And that's the short test drive video of the Tesla Model 3. I hope you did enjoy the video. Please comment down what you think of the EV of today. This is PatrickReyesTV signing out.